Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal video edit in CapCut PC. So select a video of like you walking from the right to the left or to the left from the left to the right. And you're just going to copy and paste that. And then, and then you're just going to select that video. Go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second one. Then you're going to add in your text in between, and I'm just going to type in reveal, and you're just going to change the font if you'd like to as well. I'm just going to use this one. Maybe add in a little bit of shadow. Select your text, right click, create compound clip, go to video and go to mask and select horizontal. And you're going to rotate it this way. So I'm just going to start where the person is here. So add in mask and add in a keyframe here. Then you're going to move the mask as the person like walks. Like so. Just keep doing that. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.